Casharee and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this here twist out right here. Curls are popping, y'all. I'm really feeling it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep watching. So I'm starting with freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. It is still wet, but it has started to dry because it's been like a few minutes since I finished rinsing it out. So yeah, I'm gonna go do my go-to twist out. My texture is like, y'all, let me just tell y'all about my hair real quick. Give y'all a little story on my hair because I just had an epiphany when it comes to my hair. So if y'all just want to see the actual tutorial and where that starts, I will drop that timestamp down below. But if you want to hear my little story real quick, just keep it right here because y'all know I like to talk sometimes. So yeah, y'all, I recently realized that I have two major different textures in my hair. Like, it's like a major difference. So for the longest, I used to think that maybe I had heat damage, or the Eco Styler gel that I used to use damaged my hair because I always, like, whenever I have a slick back, ponytail, bun, or anything, I slick it back for the gauze because that's just how I like my hair. If I'm slicking it back, it's gonna be slicked all the way back. So when I got a diva cut a few years ago, it's like 2 years ago, I got a diva cut, and the lady she was like, yeah, your hair doesn't, in the front, it doesn't curl up, like even at the roots. So what are you using in your hair? And I told her I do slick my hair back with Eco Styler gel, and she thought that, hey, like maybe that's messing up your curl pattern. Stop using Eco Styler gel. So I have since not used Eco Styler gel since I went and got the deep cut 2 years ago. Cut Eco Styler gel out because I thought it was damaging my curl pattern in the front. And now here we are 2 years later, and my curl pattern looks the same coming out my scalp, where it's just like grows like a wave. Like, I don't know if you could tell on camera or not, but like it's not curly coming out my scalp. It's like the ends, like you can see the ends, but this is drying. So it's just like drying like a frizz ball. But yeah, it just grows like not curly, not in the back. If I reach in the back at the roots, it grows like I feel a wave because my hair in the back is super kinky, curly. Like it's one of those tight type of curls in the back. That's how all the back of my hair grows. So yeah, so here is how my hair grows in the back. Like the curl pattern is like this. It's a way tighter curl pattern in the back with major shrinkage. In the front, it's like a loose wave that's just like barely there type of curl pattern. So yeah, so I used to think that it was eco. Then I used to think like, oh, I have heat damage. But I only straighten my hair once a year, and that's including with blow drying. I don't blow dry my hair but that once a year too, or maybe I blow dry my hair maybe like no more than 5 times a year. Like, it's very, very seldom that I am putting heat on my hair. So, and then that's another thing, how, you know, with heat damage you would have, you know, curly roots and then straight ends. So that's like a telltale sign that your hair is heat damaged. But with me, like I just showed y'all, these roots, it looks just like the ends, like just wavy, barely there type of curl pattern. So yeah, I have 2 different curl patterns in my head. It's 2 major different curl patterns in my head. And I've never, out of all of the naturals that I watch on YouTube, I've never seen anyone with this problem. Like, I've heard of ladies say they have different textures, but I've never seen like this major difference or this much difference, because this is my whole front of my head. Like, it's like starts like kind of in the middle, and all this part in the front is like that, and then all the back and like kind of the sides a little bit, like this side more so than this side though. But yeah, kind of the sides are curly or curlier than just all of this part in the middle. So I've never seen anyone just have this major difference of a curl pattern. So yeah, wash and goes for me do not work out at all. I recently tried, and then that's when I was like, let me just stop wasting my time with wash and goes. I've heard people say, oh, no matter what texture you have, you can do wash and go. No, it's not true. It's not true. Nope, you can't tell me no difference. It is not true because my hair looks a mess trying to do a wash and go. Even if I scrunch it, you know how scrunch, try to get the curls to be curlier, because it's just two major differences. It just looks all kinds of crazy. So I stick to my twist out. It never fails me. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I just want to share my little story on what I realized with my hair. If y'all have hair like this where it's like different textures, please comment down below and tell me like how you manage it, how you deal with it. Have you seen any other ladies that have, like, especially on YouTube, any other YouTubers that are filming videos like doing their hair with two major different textures in their head? If you do know someone, drop their names down below so I can look them up, y'all, because I'm just like, I just must be all kinds of different, you know. Because it just doesn't seem common, and it shouldn't be common. I mean, hey, it's one hair, like, be the same texture everywhere, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get started with my twist out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm starting the back because that's just easier. So with my twist out, I'm going to be doing really small sections because I really want it to be a defined twist out that actually lasts me a good amount of time. Like, I don't plan on doing my hair again for like a week. So let me just separate all of this. This towel doesn't want to stay up, but I needed to because I'm about to be spraying a whole bunch of water. So what I'm going to be using for this twist out, I want to make sure that I am super moisturizing my hair, because with how thick and coarse my hair is, like, I find that it looks dry, which I don't want. And I feel like because it's so thick and coarse, I need to be putting extra moisture in there. So I'm going to be using my Texture ID styling cream, and I'm also going to be using this Fro Butter. I have been liking this Fro Butter. It's supposed to help with hair growth. I will link down below where I got this from. It's a black owned hair company too, and it just smells delightful, for real, y'all. I just really love how it smells. But yeah, I'm just gonna be using this and my extreme styling gel. Give this another try. I haven't used this much. I just used this when I tried to do that wash and go the other day, but I haven't used it like with a real twist out. So I'm gonna see how I like this gel. Hopefully I like it. I'm gonna start by just re-wetting my hair back here because it has begun to dry. And I'm gonna take a small section and I'm going to apply my styling cream. And then just twist. So I'm gonna do them this size, which is fairly small. I typically don't do my twist outs that small, but like I said, I really want this twist out to last me, so I'm just gonna get rid of this towel because it's getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna do them pretty small. So I'm just gonna do this all throughout my head. Keep going with making these small twists. Then maybe it'll end up looking like mini twists too, and the twist will be a hairstyle for the next day or so until I take out the twist. Okay, so now that my hair is fully twisted, you can kind of see what I mean about the differences in my texture. How this twisted, look how far this goes, and it barely curls up, but look at the back. The back twists fine. The ends and everything. So because my hair is like this, what I do is take these little perm rods to like get you know, the same consistency of curl throughout my whole head. And I can just like combine these three. Like this one has a little curl on the end, but it's not major. So I'm just gonna combine these. Well, maybe that one won't stay. Let's see. Then I just put the perm rod on like that, so I can make sure the end is curly like I need it to be. Okay, because I have so much product on my hair, I know it's going to take forever to dry, so I'm just going to sit under the dryer for at least 45 minutes to an hour to get, you know, kind of speed up the drying process, and then I will be back for the takedown. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and it is now 2 days later. I've kept these twists in, so they are now fully dry. I've already taken out the little perm rods that I put in the front, so here's like what it looks like on the end for some of those that had the little perm rod. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out. So what I'm gonna do is to make sure I have, you know, some moisture, you know, and kind of reduce frizziness, I'm gonna use this Texture ID serum, which seals in moisture, minimizes frizz, and adds shine. Funny thing about this doggone product is I bought it like as a mistake. I thought it was like a little oil sheen type of spritz, like to give my hair some sheen like that, and it wasn't until I came home and tried to spray it on my hair that I realized it was a serum. Yeah, so anywho, so I guess I didn't read the label good enough, but anyway, I'm just gonna rub it on my fingertips and just start to take out all of the twist. Alright, I think that is all of the twist. So I did not separate them further. Like, I'm just gonna try this new thing for this since I did the twist really small. I'm not gonna separate them any further. So I'm just gonna leave them in this curl pattern. But I'm gonna try to get some more volume because I typically love big voluminous hair. That's just me. So this whole flatness is not my thing. So I'm just gonna see if I can add some volume. I'm gonna take my pick and just pick out the roots. All right, so I think I'm not gonna be able to get it as big as I would like because this is day one hair, and of course as the days go on, that's when it will get more volume the way I like. So yeah, because I don't want to mess up the curl pattern, so I'm not gonna manipulate it too much. But what I am gonna do is I do like a middle part, so I do want to make this part more defined and kind of get this out of my face. So I'm gonna just take my brush and I'm gonna use this Jamma braiding gel that I like, and I'm just gonna put it at the roots a little bit to slick it back some. I'm just gonna take a bobby pin to secure it back. And now I'm just gonna take some gel and kind of fix the little baby hairs right there. This is quite different for me because it doesn't have the volume, but it's still cute because the curls are so defined with doing the twist smaller.